In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export high-resolution images on Figma. First, open your design in Figma. Make sure the file and page you want are visible, and zoom to a comfortable level so you can clearly see what you are exporting. The export you create will be based on whatever you select. So the next move is important. Select the layer or frame you want to export. This could be a full screen, a component, or a single asset, like an icon or image. If you are exporting a full screen or layout, selecting the frame ensures Figma captures the exact boundaries you intended. Keep in mind that exports are tied to your current selection. So double-check you've highlighted the right element before moving on. Now, look to the right sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Export section. This is where Figma collects export settings for the selected item. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually near the bottom of the Properties panel. Click the plus icon to add an export setting. This creates a line with options for format and scale. Think of this like your recipe card for how Figma will generate the final file. Change the scale from 1x to a higher value. 2x, 3x, or 4x. Increasing the scale multiplies the pixel dimensions of your export, which is what gives you that high-resolution output. For most screens and presentations, 2x is a solid choice. If you are preparing assets for high-density displays or you know you'll need extra clarity when zoomed, go with 3x or 4x. Just remember that higher scales create larger files. So pick what best fits your use case. Choose the file format next. Select PNG or JPG for raster images. PNG is ideal for UI elements, icons, logos, and anything that needs transparency or sharp edges. JPG is better for photographic content where you want smaller file sizes with balanced quality. If you are unsure, PNG is a safe default for interface work, while JPG is great for images and backgrounds. When everything looks right, click Export. Figma will prompt you to choose a save location on your computer. Name your file in a way that makes sense for your workflow and confirm the save. That's it. Thanks for watching.